Tired of outrageous fees every time you send money abroad? This video will show you exactly how to create a Wise account, step by step, so you can ditch those high costs and transfer money like a pro. First, go to Wise.com. Click the sign up button. You'll be presented with options to sign up with your email, Google account, Facebook, or Apple account. Choose whichever you prefer. Fill out the required information, your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Then, click Create Account. Next, choose whether you're opening a personal or business account. For most individuals, a personal account is the right choice. You'll need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and Wise will send you a verification code via text message. Enter the code to confirm. Now it's time to complete your profile. Enter your personal details accurately, including your first and last name, date of birth, and your current address. This information is crucial for security and compliance. And that's it. Your Wise account is now set up. You can explore the different features like sending and receiving money, opening multi-currency accounts, and ordering a Wise debit card. Start saving money on your international transfers today by using Wise. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful finance tips.